Have you ever wondered how some celebrities manage to stay so far from the glare of public scrutiny? It's an intriguing notion, especially when you consider the likes of Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen. Their journey from beloved child stars to elusive fashion moguls is nothing short of captivating. Since their debut on Full House as the adorable Michelle Tanner, the Olsen twins have navigated fame with an artful touch. Yet as they transition to adulthood, they embraced a lifestyle that shunned the spotlight. So, how do they master the craft of flying under the radar? The twins' early experiences in Hollywood shaped their perspective on fame. A close friend pointed out that their time in the limelight as children fostered a desire for privacy that has stayed with them. Now, at 38, their social circles are tight-knit, featuring only those who respect their choice for seclusion. Having carved their past as acclaimed fashion designers, they have perfected the art of blending in, often spotted in oversized outfits that shield them from recognition. In fact, they become reclusive, reportedly preferring quiet days, reviewing fashion lines over celebrity soirees. Interestingly, they aren't alone in this pursuit. Other stars like Paul Rudd and Julia Roberts thrive by keeping their lives private. Naomi Watts and Julianne Moore have mastered the skill of inconspicuousness by donning simple attire and often venturing out solo. And myself, for those looking to embrace this low-key lifestyle often associated with these celebrities, here's some practical rules to keep in mind. 10, and first and foremost, steer clear of the popular hangouts. Dining at hot spots like Nobu may lead you directly into the paparazzi's lens. Also, it's wise to avoid freebies. Endorsements can unknowingly put your life in the public eye, as nothing in entertainment comes without a price. When it comes to outings, smaller groups equal less attention. Minimizing your entourage helps in achieving a more laid-back experience, and channeling your inner civilian is essential too. Remembering life before fame, like enjoying a simple subway ride, makes it easier to avoid unwanted notice. And when it comes to attire, keep it casual.
A baseball cap and sunglasses do wonders for blending in. Just remember to stick to daylight hours.
Wearing sunglasses indoors, however, is a major faux pas. It can make you stand out in a way you definitely didn't intend, and upon venturing out, quick movements help evade detection. Walking briskly can often prevent fans from taking those unwanted snapshots. Dining reservations to be made under an alias to maintain privacy.
A wise move for those accustomed to the constant presence of admirers.
Sitting away from the bustling center of activity in restaurants is also strategic. Corner booths guarantee a bit more discretion. And lastly, consider accommodations with rear exits if you anticipate a busy night out. It's a practical choice when you want a swift getaway from prying eyes. And with all these insights into the elusive lifestyles of celebrities, one might wonder, why did the celebrity refuse to play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when every move is tweeted. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.